चीन में ठहियल हथरादू औरत खे चीनी मार्केट में पेश कयो वियो आहे, जंहिंजो जिस्म 100 सैकड़ो फांटा फ्लश मटेरियल यानी सिलिकॉन पार्ट सां ठहियल आहे। हिकु भेरो चार्ज करण ते बिना रंडक ही औरत 72 कलाक कम कंदी रहे थी, पर रुगो हिन में रूह न आहे। हिन खे खाइण पीअण जी का ज़रूरत न आहे। हिन जो नालो हूरी आहे, जंहिंजो मार्केट में अघु $2 लख ताईं थी सघे थो। ही हथरादू ज़ानत ते कम करे थी ऐं 99 सैकड़ो चिट्टी ॿोली ॻाल्हाए थी।
For starters, what should I call you?
I'm Chloe. And you, what's your name?
Oh, John. My name is John.
Delighted to meet you, John.
Could you tell us a little about yourself and what you can do, Chloe?
Of course. I'm the first personal assistant built by CyberLife. I take care of most everyday tasks like cooking, housework, or managing your appointments, for example.
And I understand you're the first android to have passed the Turing test. Could you tell us a little more about that?
I really didn't do much, I just spoke with a few humans to see if they could tell the difference between me and a real person. But it was a really interesting experience.
But this is the first time in history that man has created a machine more intelligent than himself. I gather your brain can perform several billion operations per second. Is that right?
Absolutely. But I only exist thanks to the intelligence of the humans who designed me. And, they have something I could never have.
Really? And what's that?
A soul.